Welcome children in chemistry class. Today I am going to explain you relative atomic mass, relative molecular mass and how you have to calculate the molecular weight of any compound or molecule. Children, first you have to see what is relative atomic mass. You know atoms are very small and very light particles. Therefore, we cannot find the weight of an atom directly. Indirect method we use to determine the absolute mass of an atom. The relative mass of an atom or molecule is hence considered by considering mass of light atom. In the beginning, hydrogen was taken as the standard unit and masses of other atoms or molecules. To get the atomic mass of any other atom, it was compared with hydrogen. And how many times heavier than hydrogen? In this way, by comparing, we were calculating the atomic mass. But now, carbon 12, that is the isotopes of carbon C12, was considered the standard for comparison of mass of other atoms or molecules. So according to this, relative atomic mass of an element is the number of times one atom of an element is heavier than 1/12 the mass of an atom of carbon. So according to this, we are getting the relative atomic mass of elements by using this formula. Mass of one atom of elements upon 1/12 mass of one atom of C12, that is carbon. Next is gram atomic mass or gram atom. So how we can get or calculate gram atomic mass or gram atom? The relative atomic mass of an element is expressed in gram, then it is known as gram atomic mass or gram atom of the element. Atomic weight or atomic mass of an element is expressed in AMU. AMU is the atomic mass unit. As we are taking atomic mass of carbon is 12, so it is 12 AMU. Next is relative molecular mass. How we can calculate relative molecular mass and what is relative molecular mass or molecular weight? Relative molecular mass of an element or compound is the number of times one molecule of the substance is heavier than 1/12 the mass of an atom of carbon. So for this we are calculating using the formula. There is relative molecular mass, then mass of one molecule of substance upon 1/12 mass of one atom of carbon. The relative molecular mass of a substance when expressed in gram, then it is known as gram molecular mass or gram molecule or gram molecular weight. So children, I told here about the relative atomic mass, gram atomic mass, relative molecular mass and gram molecular mass. Now you have to know how you can calculate the relative molecular mass. You know relative molecular mass is calculated by adding together the relative atomic mass of all the various atoms present in the molecule. So you see, we are going to calculate the atomic mass of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is made of one atom of calcium, one atom of carbon and three atoms of oxygen. You know here atomic mass of calcium is 40, carbon is 12 and oxygen is 16. In the calcium carbonate, one atom calcium, one atom carbon and three atoms of oxygen are. Therefore, molecular weight of calcium carbonate is atomic weight of calcium plus atomic weight of carbon plus 3 into atomic weight of oxygen. 3 atom oxygen is there, therefore we write it 3 atom of oxygen. 1 atom of calcium mass is 40, 1 atom of carbon's mass is 12. There are 3 atom of oxygen, so 3 into 16. 40 plus 12 plus 48. Their relative molecular weight of calcium carbonate or molecular weight of calcium carbonate is 100.